Step into the 2006 Chrysler Town & Country. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a power liftgate, and a split folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, knee airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.